Welcome back, everybody.
Oh, there's 6.
Just reviewing the map
7.
here.
So, the panel with the electrical in it is number 5. This one, which is the one on... Oh, man.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, okay, number...
this left one
No.
as we're looking at it.
Number 5...
And that's the way
This is wrong.
that's the way that's oriented. What's that saying?
This is inside out. Because if this is from the top down, right?
Okay.
And if this is from the top down, number 1 is hanging out. That's number
So
one.
we're looking at number 5, which is down here. It's on this side, and yeah.
Well, what I'm saying is that if this is like
Oh, the orientation.
rotated up like that,
Yeah,
because this is this backyard,
No, I'm getting you.
it has the point of the pentagon pointing that way,
Yeah.
and the butt is
Well,
the butt.
Yeah.
This one
No,
has
no,
the butt going there,
it's looking.
and it's not the butt.
But it's from overhead.
It's like this, looking down
Yeah,
on it.
that's if you're standing on top of it. That's the way that pentagon is oriented. We've got number 5 here, right?
Yeah, okay, it's left.
It's number 5 is that back one there. That's
It's the back one, number 5 left.
yeah. Except the left part is from here.
Okay, it goes.
But yeah, it goes
We'll move these.
right there where I would have hoped that it went. So anyway, we've got our original panel here to mark the location of the receptacle for the ceiling fan. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it as close to what it was supposed to be as possible.
And that is.
So that, okay.
There's double framing in there now.
Yeah, so they probably had that just rammed tight into the intersection there. So yesterday, Ed took the ceiling down here in the kitchen, and it's pretty well as expected. More of the same silly framing. So we've been discussing our plan for additional framing up there and to make passageways for the ductwork, and moving things around and cleaning up a bit. So we're installing some temporary props to make some modifications to the framing here. Yeah. And here's what we'll be reinforcing that floor with. LVLs, laminated veneer lumber. Much stronger than the way trees grow it. These are made in a similar way as plywood, using many layers glued together under tremendous pressure, which results in a much straighter and stronger board. So we've cleared our workspace and got our plan together and got our temporary supports in place, so that next time we'll cut those LVLs to the height of these boards, these 2x6s, and install a couple of them all the way across both of these rooms here, the kitchen and the bedroom over there. And tying everything back into those will result in a stronger floor here that will have a passageway all the way across the room for ducts and refrigerant lines. So don't miss our next episode where we solve these structural issues without disturbing the original materials. And don't forget, if you'd like to contribute to the project, you can donate at fullerdomehome.com, which will be listed in the video description. And if you'd like to continue to follow the project, you can subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to be notified when the new videos go up. See you next time.